Tagalog naman ito nito.
Gusto mo yung English?
Again,
Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Alvin Masotros, and Coach Sean Reyes of PNP. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach, you are now on a 5-game winning streak. What was the conversation like or any occurrence that happened after losing 3 straight that sparked the switch in the way that things played?
I think the big key was the realization that I mentioned this already before, that we are not the old Talking Text team. We cannot play like the old TNT team when we had Ronde and Jason. So I think that awareness and the acceptance of that reality was the turning point. And when we figured that out and we accepted that, then we had to make some changes in our approach, in our defense, in our offense. What you see now is, I think, the result.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Almon, welcome back to 5-on-5. But even if wala ka sa lineup, you're always in the team practices. You are updated when it comes to what the team is doing. And today you showed that you are ready once your jersey is on.
siguro una, thank you ako sa opportunity. Like, thank you ako sa coach Sean, sa coaching staff na nabigyan ako yung second chance.
Can I say something?
Yes, Coach.
Meron na siyang vacation to Japan. Pinabili na yung ticket, nabook na lahat ng hotel with his whole family, his wife and his 2 kids. And he did that. Pinansa na niya just to have this opportunity, si Amon. So, this is really a big sacrifice for him and we're very thankful. And we knew that we would need him here because we've lost Chelo Rason due to appendicitis. So he underwent surgery last week. And naubos na yung mga point guard namin. Wala na Jason, wala na Ray ng bata, wala na Chelo. So we figured it out with the big help. So we're very thankful for him.
We are now ready to entertain questions.
Congrats,
Thank you.
parang wala ka yata sa PNP. Next-step mo na last round tumawa.
Like what Coach Sean said, as in, since nawala ako sa TNT, parang naging mas motivated ako na huwag akong maging na huwag ko pabayaan yung sarili ko kasi anytime soon baka may tumawag sa akin. Yun nga, yung palagi kong pinag-pray na sana mabigyan ako ng second chance and dumating. O ngayon ayaw ko nang sayangin yung opportunities na nandito ngayon sa harap ko.
You think yung first and second quarter kaya nakalayo ko assure na silyado na yung spot mo sa PNP?
Assure naman na silyado na yung spot mo sa PNP sa tatlong press mo sa second quarter.
Based on my experience, hindi ako nag-take advantage sa mga ganun. Kasi like what I said, kung ano lang yung nasa harap ko, kung ano yung opportunity nasa harap ko, yun lang yung focus ko for now.
Kung sa uling ko sa impact na agad ng balik sa PNP?
We knew the majority of Northport's defense is zone. They play a very good zone defense and we needed a shooter to loosen up that zone. So we just made a basketball decision to hire a shooter and we knew Almon, the thing with Almon, he needs very little warm-up. Makapal ka sa mukha nito. Hindi niya kailangan warm-up, hindi siya nahihiya. He'll really let it fly. But we said that that's his job. Alam naman niya yun ang talagang trabaho niya. And like you said, it was a very close game until those 3-pointers that he shot that he made in the second quarter.
How about Brandon Velasco, sir? Was his race scheduled to return now or may matagal na rin siya in shape and we're just waiting for the right
Matagal na siyang sumasama sa full contact practice. But we waited for him to say na okay na ako, ready na ako because alam mo yung mga ganyang injury, the major part there is really the mental and the emotional preparation. So while he was playing in almost a month na he was joining our full contact practices, finally when sinabi niya ready na siya, then we thought it was a good opportunity and hopefully he can get his game win back quickly. Today he was just good for 2-3 minute stretches. Hopefully,
Coach, nire-request mo na yata ng PNP yung ticket nila.
Tama ka naman.
Kaya ano nag-stay in shape ka rin during the time na nawala ka sa game?
Yun nga, like, yung nawala ko sa 10K, lagi ako nag-workout, nag-tendol ako sa anytime, tapos may malapit sa amin na court. So, every time na may makano doon, shooting ako para at least kung may tatawag sa akin, pwede.
Buti ba lang tumawag sa iyo?
Honestly, meron, pero meron tumawag sa akin, pero hindi nag-team.
Sa PBA ba?
Yes.
Coach, sa inyo naman, Coach, alam naman natin yung grade sa coach. Like Williams and Jordan. Just your thoughts about it. So, hindi pa yata.
Yeah, I don't want to comment on it until it gets approval. It's now with the PBA office. So I will reserve my comments.